Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you LICQual Level 3 Certificate in Risk Assessment Principles and Practice. The Level 3 Certificate in Risk Assessment Principles and Practice is designed to provide participants with a comprehensive understanding of risk assessment principles, methodologies, and best practices. This course is suitable for individuals who are responsible for conducting risk assessments in various industries or organizational settings. Throughout the course, students will develop essential skills to identify, evaluate, and mitigate risks effectively. Course benefits: gain a thorough understanding of risk assessment principles and methodologies, enhance your ability to identify potential hazards and assess risks in diverse environments. Learn best practices for risk mitigation and control measures implementation, acquire valuable skills applicable across various industries and sectors, obtain a recognized qualification to boost your professional credibility, improve your decision-making abilities in risk-sensitive situations. Learning outcomes: by the end of the course, participants will be able to define key risk assessment terminologies and concepts, identify potential hazards and risk factors in different settings, utilize various risk assessment techniques and methodologies, analyze and evaluate risks based on severity, probability, and exposure, understand legal and regulatory requirements related to risk assessment, develop and implement effective risk control measures, monitor and review risk management strategies for continuous improvement. Entry requirements: there are no specific academic prerequisites for enrolling in this course. Basic proficiency in English language comprehension is recommended, as course materials will be in English. Study units: Introduction to Risk Assessment, Risk Identification, Risk Assessment Techniques, Risk Evaluation and Control, Communication and Documentation. Future progressions: upon successful completion of the Level 3 Certificate in Risk Assessment Principles and Practice, participants can consider the following future progressions: pursuing advanced level courses in risk management and related fields, gaining practical experience through internships or industry-specific projects, specializing in specific areas of risk assessment, such as environmental risk or financial risk, seeking professional certifications in risk management to enhance career prospects, advancing to higher-level positions within organizations, such as risk management coordinator or safety officer. Admission open. For registration, call us on 92-321-505-6755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk. Make sure to subscribe us on YouTube and follow our Facebook page for more details about other qualifications.